Unveiled, how to make anyone chase you. Have you ever dreamed of being irresistible? Of making that special someone unable to stop thinking about you? Today, we will reveal the secrets to turning this dream into a reality. You will discover psychological techniques and strategies that will make you a human magnet. And remember, if you want to continue discovering ways to improve your love life, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. Imagine having a remote control that, with the press of a button, makes your dream person desire you ardently. What would you say if I revealed that, with the right techniques, we can get very close to this fantasy? Today is the day you will find out how. Before we dive into these revolutionary strategies, a small favor, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. That way you will never miss the advice that could change your love life. To become irresistible and arouse the interest of anyone, it is essential not only to refine your appearance but also to understand and apply some psychological and social dynamics that play a crucial role in human interactions. Let's see how to develop each key strategy in depth. Gradually revealing your personality is like painting a picture, one layer at a time, creating suspense and mystery that captures the other person's attention. Rather than revealing every facet of yourself all at once, it is like weaving an intricate web of discoveries. This approach invites curiosity, fueling the desire to get to know you more and more. Imagine being like a book that opens slowly, with each page revealing a new chapter of your life and personality. This sense of mystery enchants and fascinates, making each discovery a precious experience. It is not about hiding who you are, but rather about revealing yourself gradually, like a puzzle that comes together piece by piece. Let your authenticity shine through small gestures, details, and conversations, allowing the other person to glimpse who you truly are. This not only adds depth to the relationship but also creates a stronger bond based on mutual discovery. And as the other person tries to figure out who you really are, a bond will be created that goes beyond superficial appearances. So, embrace the power of mystery and suspense in your interaction with others. Show who you are, but do it gradually, letting each new detail be a treasure to discover together. This is the secret to creating deep and lasting connections that continue to surprise and fascinate over time. Be skillfully enigmatic in your conversations, like an artist who paints with words, letting your story unfold in an intriguing and captivating way. Rather than revealing all the details at once, sow the seeds of curiosity, creating an atmosphere of mystery that incites investigation. Immerse yourself in conversations with a touch of enigma, offering only small nuances of your experiences and leaving others with a burning desire to know more. For example, instead of revealing everything instantly, you could hint at a fascinating experience and then skim over it, inviting the other person to immerse themselves in your narrative with further questions. Masterfully handle your words like precious gems to be revealed slowly, creating a magnetic effect that attracts attention and fuels curiosity. Show only what you want others to see, maintaining a veil of secrecy that encourages discovery. And so, in every conversation, keep the flame of interest alive by maintaining your enigmatic charm. Invite others to enter your world, but do it with a touch of mystery that compels them to want to know more and more. This is the secret to creating engaging and lasting conversations, infused with an aura of mystery that fascinates and enchants. Be like a work of art that continues to surprise with every new detail, keeping the other person constantly on their toes with your unpredictability. Avoid following a fixed pattern in your actions and responses. Instead, dare to be bold and surprising. Light up the sky of routine with flashes of unexpected interests and passions, capturing attention and stimulating the other person's curiosity. You can do this by showing sides of your personality that may have remained hidden or by revealing small gestures that evoke wonder and amazement. Unpredictability is like an enchanting dance, keeping the other person constantly on their toes, never sure what to expect. You can surprise with an impromptu outing, with an unexpected confession of a dark interest, or with a kind gesture that reveals a side of you that they would never have imagined. In this way, you add an aura of charm and mystery to your personality, making every interaction an exciting adventure to discover. Unpredictability not only adds color to your life, but also enriches relationships with a freshness that never knows monotony. Cultivating intriguing interests and hobbies is like planting seeds of curiosity that blossom into engaging and thought-provoking conversations. Choose passions that stand out from the crowd, that capture attention and provoke questions, inviting others to explore your world. Immerse yourself in interests that are a bit out of the ordinary, that add a touch of originality to your personality. Whether it's a little-known art form, an unusual hobby, or a passion for a niche topic, the secret is to cultivate what truly fascinates you. These interests not only make you a unique and intriguing individual, but they also offer fertile ground for stimulating and in-depth conversations. Others will be curious about your passions and eager to learn more, opening the door to meaningful and engaging interactions. So, be bold in exploring new interests and hobbies that capture the imagination and spark questions. This will not only enrich your personal life, but also your relationships, creating deeper and more fulfilling connections. Do you believe that the cat and mouse game in love is fair, or do you think we should aim to always be transparent and open? Comment below with your opinion. Adopting these strategies doesn't mean transforming yourself into someone you're not. Rather, it's about highlighting and optimizing aspects of yourself that can increase your romantic appeal. The secret is to balance these tactics with authenticity and integrity. Remember, the ultimate key is self-love. You have the power to become irresistible. Apply the strategies we've revealed in this video and watch your love life transform. Remember that the key to success is patience, perseverance, and self-love. Put yourself to the test. Choose one of the strategies you've learned and apply it in your daily life. Tell us in the comments how it went and what results you achieved. Subscribe to the channel and activate notifications so you don't miss our next videos with tips on improving your love life and relationships. Thanks for watching this video. Your support motivates us to continue creating valuable content for you. Share this video with your friends who might benefit from it. See you soon.